You are well on your way to becoming an amazing black belt leader. You showed off the yes I can attitude and you really tried your best. Every time you do those two things, you learn and grow just a little bit. Day after day, time after time is what's gonna make you an amazing black belt leader. Today's lesson is all about discipline. Say discipline. To obey what is right. And we have our first two pillars to discipline. Follow me. Commitment. Punctuality. Let's say it again stronger. Commitment. Punctuality. All right, one more time. Try to use that voice at a level 10 and scare me. Commitment. Punctuality. Excellent. People with commitment do what they say they're gonna do no matter what. And black belts are always punctual, which means on time. They use time to their advantage, not as an excuse. The first level to great discipline is obedience. Can you say obedience? Obedience means to do what we're told by the people that know better, like our parents, our teachers, and our coaches. You see, they all want you to succeed in life and be amazing. So it's very important that we do what they say the first time they tell us. This way we can learn and grow. So in order for you to earn your points toward earning your next belt, do you want your next belt? Perfect. Then you're gonna have to show great obedience, which means do what your parents tell you the first time. Please fill out your belt tracker, and I want you to write down 3 things you've done the first time your parents told you. And once you're done, please submit that to us so you can earn your credits towards your next belt. Best of luck. Can't wait to see you for our next lesson. Sir, yes I can.